So your dental practice is thinking of doing some video marketing. You probably want to make something that goes viral, like my buddy over here. But there's actually more to it than just that. And it's actually very difficult to create viral content if you ever tried it. My name is Hassan. I'm the inbound marketing expert at the world-renowned dental marketing agency, the Creative Composite. And here are 5 reasons as why you should be using video marketing for your dental practice. Provide content in a different format. Video marketing is a good way of delivering content in a way that is different. As some of you may already be aware, everybody has a different learning style. These learning styles are visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. However, what you may not be aware of is that the myth that everyone just has the one learning style, which is most likely what you think is text. The American psychologist Howard Gardner actually says that there is strong evidence that human beings have a range of intelligences, implying that we actually have multiple learning styles and can learn in a multitude of ways. Video marketing is good in that it makes good use of both visuals and audio when trying to get the message across. And what this means for the viewers online is that they are offered an alternative way of consuming content in a way that appeals more to them and allows them to absorb more information at a faster pace. Instead of just reading pages and pages of information that can go on, video content can be easily consumed. Educate viewers. As we have just discussed, through video, you are able to appeal to the visual and auditory learner within the individual. With this in mind, this would be a perfect opportunity to educate your viewers and keep them informed. As a dental marketing expert, you could create videos that provide information about various treatments, new products and services that you might be introducing that patients might be curious to learn about, as well as provide demonstrations and how they actually can use these procedures or how they're performed. Seeing that you know what you're talking about and what you're doing, this will help the viewers trust your team and your practice and have more confidence in you and the credibility that you guys have. Entertain viewers. While it's all good to educate your patients and viewers, this is not the end of it. They don't just want to hear the importance of brushing your teeth, eating healthy, regularly flossing. You probably just see me flossing again, I'm sorry for that. I wouldn't be entertained by something like that, and I'm fairly sure you wouldn't be either. Me flossing is entertaining. So why should you do that to your viewers? Viewers tend to have a very short attention span, less than a goldfish now. And with the abundance of videos online, if your video doesn't appeal to them within the first few seconds, chances are they're going to click away and go watch somebody else, like my friend here. So it's very important to make your videos informative but also entertaining. Try to pay special attention
to the tone that you use in your video.
Try to avoid being too serious in your videos or being too much of a salesperson, unlike me. Rather instead, try to incorporate humor, be energetic, be positive, and make mistakes like me. As the saying goes, laughter is the best medicine, and if your video content can provide that to your viewers and a good laugh, you're well on your way to gaining more conversations in the future. Establish relationships. I say this in a lot of my videos, but it's also quite true and can also be applied to any form of marketing. Establishing relationships with your viewers is important to gain their trust so they have more confidence in your dental practice and team. A lot of people hate going to the dentist, and they are largely perceived as being scary and can be a bit of an unpleasant experience for them because of the past experiences that they've had. To help change this negative perception, your dental practice needs to create videos on social media, on every platform to showcase your practice. Show the human side of your practice. Look relatable, showing that you actually care about each individual patient. One way of doing this is by creating videos for social media. Social media is a platform made specifically to create and build relationships with people. Videos that you could post on social media can generally be various topics, really, behind the scenes of your dental practice, highlighting your dental practice's unique personality with the team members. You could also do features with the members of staff that give patients an insight into the personalities and letting them get to know the team who'll be taking care of them before they even step through the door. Interactions with viewers is also key for this to work, as they may leave behind comments asking for specific things they like to see, or even topics they like to talk about and learn more about. Knowing your patients, knowing what they want, and showing them that you're just a normal person just like them can also help create a positive image of your dental practice and team and dentistry as a whole, and it could increase conversion of clients in the future for yourself. Encourage call to actions. One important thing to add to your videos is a strong call to action. A call to action is a marketing device used to prompt individuals to performing a specific action. Watch the end of this video. Having a clear call to action can influence your viewers into getting more involved with your dental practice, allowing more chances for you to interact with your patients, both current and prospective, and give them direction. A call to action can be simple as asking people to call you to discuss an appointment or asking them to sign up to your emails from your practice. Calls to action are simple and helpful in maintaining engagement with your patients and viewers. In video form, it can be more effective as if you're asking on screen for viewers to perform a specific task. It can feel really personal. In conclusion, video content can be really useful to get your message across in a different format and can be really responsive to people who are visual and auditory learners. While it's great to create videos that may go viral, this is not actually the goal of video marketing, but more so creating a relationship with your viewers who view your content. You can do this by producing content that provides viewers with significant value, but also entertains them. This can help build trust as they see a more human side to the practice, easing them of any fears or concerns they may have. I hope this video has helped you to answer any questions that you may have had about video marketing. For more information, you can check out our website in the description along with some of our social media links. I'm Hassan. Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed my video, please like, comment and share and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just comment below and I'll personally answer them myself. And I'll see you guys next time.